Hi class, welcome to this topic, length conversion. So in these lessons, I will discuss and illustrate to you how to convert the unit of length measurement. So without further ado, let's go to the problem. Okay, so for problem number 1 or activity 1, that is we are tasked to convert 3.5 meters to centimeter. Okay, so in converting this problem, that is 3.5 meters to centimeter, I will write to you the conversion first. So in 1 meter, that is equals to 100 centimeter. So let us proceed to the conversion. So we have 3.5, write ko na lang yung meter, you multiply that to 100 centimeter. Take note that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So I will write here 1 meter. Okay. So next let us cancel. We can cancel this meter. Then proceed to the multiplication. So 3.5 multiply that with 100. So that is 350 centimeter. Madali lang class nakuha. Okay, so that is our answer. So next, activity 2, convert 450 centimeter to meter. Okay, so nandito yung conversion natin. Yung 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. Okay, so in converting the smaller to the bigger unit, just divide it. Okay, so we have 450 centimeter. You divide that by 100 centimeter to get the meter. So get your calculator. 450 divided by 100, that is 4.5 meters. Okay, nakuha class. So madali lang ano. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed to the activity 2, convert 2.4 kilometers to meter. Okay. So I will write the conversion in 1 kilometer. That is equivalent to 1,000 meters. Did you get class? So let us proceed to the conversion. So 2.4 kilometers. So we will multiply that to 1,000 meter over 1 kilometer, because again in 1 kilometer that is equivalent to 1,000 meter. Okay, so we can cancel this kilometer and proceed to the multiplication. So we have 2.4 multiply that with 1,000 kilometer, that is equivalent to 2,400. Sorry, I write it 500. 2,400 meters. Okay, so this is our answer. So next we have 850 millimeters to meter. Okay, so in I will write also class the conversion. So in 1 meter, that is equivalent to 1,000 millimeter. Double M ang lalagay ko ha. Okay. So let us divide this 850 meters, millimeters by 1,000 to get the meters. Okay, so get your calculator. 850 millimeters divided it by 1000, that is equals to 0.85 meters. Lagay ko na lang isa dito. Nakuha guys. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed to activity 3. Convert 780 millimeter to centimeter. Okay. So I will write also the conversion. So in 1 centimeter is equals to 10 siya ka millimeter. Lagay ko lang double M dito. Okay. So again, as I told you a while ago, in converting the smaller unit to the larger unit is you have to divide it. So 780 millimeter, divide it by 10 to get the centimeter. Okay. So again, get your calculator. 780 divided by 10, that is equals to 78. That is 78 centimeter. Nakuha guys. Ilagay na lang dito 78 centimeter. Okay. So next, again, millimeter to meters is 2 meters. So again, 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. Okay. So next, so we'll just divide 850 millimeters divided by 1000 millimeters. So 850 divided by 1000, that is equals to 0.85 meters. Ilagay ko na lang dito 0.85 yung meters niya. So nakuha class, ang dali lang naman, di ba? Okay, so next, activity 4, write 376 cm to meter. O madali lang ito kasi ang 1 meter is equals to 100, maliit yata, 100 centimeter. Okay, so again we will just divide this 376 centimeter, sorry, this is centimeter divided by 100 to get the meter. Okay, so 376 divided by 100, so that is equals to 3.76 meters. Okay, nakuha class. Lagay ko na lang ang sagot dito. That is 3.76 meters. Using pala yung 6 para klaro sa inyo. Okay? So, I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Until next video, thank you for watching.